Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3 from exercise 4.3, chapter 4, simple equations. The question is question number A. 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. See here the constant term is in the left side and the remaining parts with variables are in the right side. So you have to follow the steps only and afterwards you can find the value of the variable. Now what you can do, 4 is equal to multiply 5 into p, 5p, then the minus sign as it is, then 5 into 2, 10. Now transposing 4 minus 10 you can take here with opposite sign, inverse sign, plus 10 minus 10, here it is plus 10 is equal to 5p. Then 14 is equal to 5p. You need to find the value of p and 5 was multiplied here. So what you can do, 14 by 5, or you can write in this way, therefore p is equal to 14 by 5 and this is the answer of this sum. Next sum is minus 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. 5 into p minus 2. Do this in the same way. Minus 4 is equal to multiply 5 into p, 5p, minus 5 to the 10. Transposing, minus 10 will come in this side. Minus 4 was there before. Now plus 10 is equal to 5p. Then minus 4 plus 10, it is 6 is equal to 5p. Separating the variable, p is equal to 6 by 5, or you can write in this way also, therefore the value of p is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, come to the next sum. Question number C. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. So in the same way, follow all the steps. 4 plus 3 into t, 3t, plus 3 into 2, 6. Now 16 is equal to 4 plus 6, like terms, equal to 3t. Transposing 16 minus 10, 10 was in the right side, transposing this 10 into the left side with the opposite sign, equal to 3t, or 6 is equal to 3t, or t, separating the variable, t is equal to 6 by 3, 3 was multiplied here. So in the opposite side you are transposing this number into the left side, so 3 will be divided here, cancelling 2. Therefore 2 is equal to t, or more properly you can say that t is equal to 2 is the value of this sum. Come to the next sum. In question number D, 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. So 4 plus, as it is multiplied 5 with p minus 1, so multiply 5 into p, 5p, and minus 5 into 1, 5, equal to 34. So 4 minus 5, it is minus 1, plus 5p is equal to 34, or 5p, if you take transposing minus 1 to the right side, 34 plus 1, that is 5p equal to 35, or p is equal to 35. P was multiplied here, so p will come with in the division form. 5 7 ja 35. Therefore p is equal to 7 is the solution of this equation. Come to the next sum. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. So you can take 0 minus 16. Take 16 in the by transposing method. take it from the right side to the left side, sign will be changed. Now 4 into m minus 6, 0 minus 16, result is minus 16 is equal to 4 into m, 4m minus 4 6 ja 24 minus 16 plus 24, transposing minus 24 in the left side plus 24 is equal to 4m, that is 8, positive sign because 24 is larger than 16, plus 8 is equal to 4m, or separating variable m is equal to 8 by 4, it is 2, therefore 2 is equal to m, or you can say that therefore m is equal to 2. This is the solution of this equation. I hope these sums are now very easy for you. You need to practice. Thank you, students.